Mars colonies may depend on asteroid mining. But what happens if we fail? One day, enormous cities may rise beneath the red skies of Mars. Human beings could live under giant glass domes. Children might walk across the soil of another world. And for the first time in history, humanity could build a civilization beyond Earth. But according to scientists, a dark and unsettling reality may be hidden behind that dream. Building a city on Mars is not simply about sending people there. The real challenge is producing the steel, energy, machinery, and advanced technology needed to keep that civilization alive. And that is why attention is now turning toward the silent asteroids drifting millions of kilometers away in deep space. Research suggests that while Mars may contain some useful resources, it may not possess enough rare materials to sustain a highly advanced industrial civilization. Critical metals needed for electronics, reactors, and high-performance alloys could become dangerously scarce. As a result, future Martian colonies may be forced to mine asteroids for survival. But what awaits humanity is far more than a simple engineering project. It could become the birth of an enormous industrial network stretching across the solar system. Scientists estimate that future spacecraft designed for asteroid mining would need to carry hundreds of tons of fuel. Yet there is a terrifying reality behind rocket science. Rockets burn enormous amounts of fuel simply to carry more fuel. Reaching and returning from many metallic asteroids may require more energy than current technology can realistically provide. To solve this problem, researchers are proposing something extraordinary: deep space refueling stations. Water and hydrocarbons extracted from carbon-rich asteroids could potentially be converted into rocket fuel directly in space. In other words, humanity may one day build giant cosmic refineries in the darkness between planets. But the most shocking detail comes next. Some calculations suggest that early space-based fuel production systems might generate only a few kilograms of fuel per day. At that speed, filling the tanks of a massive spacecraft could take more than 1,000 years. Humanity may possess the scientific knowledge to reach Mars, yet still lack the industrial power required to sustain an independent civilization there. And perhaps the most disturbing question of all is this: if humanity eventually has to tear apart the entire asteroid belt just to keep Martian cities alive, how far are we truly willing to go to become an interplanetary species?